on the block.
An improvement talaga for Panaga because so far she's in number 3 top blockers for this conference.
As Santos finds the open uniform nila. Directing mo mami, ipan mo. Kita mo para sila grade 1, row 1. Row 1 talaga eh. No? Oh! Alianza unable to hoist it up. Signal has been generally in control of the scoring and the lead in this opening set. Mishit, but a bit of a cut shot from Santos actually. Here comes Cayuna, sets Santos again, but Katindig reading it well. Santos tries it again and finds the open spot.
Sobrang bilis
Let's see.
And there you have it.
Yeah.
Erica Santos getting the first set win for Signal by that opposite hit, finding the hands of Eliza Valdez.
And Pure Gold, always Panalo. Play of the set brought to you by Pure Gold. So Pure Gold, always Panalo. First set ends at a 25-21.
Attackers should step up.
Ramdam mo nung natinig mo eh. O ito, buhay pa. Walang rep. Tawag si referee Celso. We play on, but this one is dead in the water. Signal with their second point.
Net defense.
At 2 apiece. Panaga with Gandler receiving. Gandler gets back the set. Boy, malakas ng pumalo si Gandler.
Whenever she sees that space in the cross court, dun niya ididiin yung palo. But take a look at the position of the blockers also of Creamline. May gap in between and also bukas na bukas yung cross court.
What she has done so far. 7 yan kanina, ngayon 10 na. Bea De Leon, no firm contact. Santos and manages to kick it outside. And, parang nagsha-shadow yung isa sa isa. Cayuna. You are incredible, Miss Santos. You're something else. Sino foot fault? Anong foot fault ka dyan?
Oo.
Ito, Samantha.
Kaya madaming galit nung hindi lang yung coaches, pati yung players.
Nung araw, hindi pwede yung mga one pass. Yung cool dude coaching. Hindi parang korte to na may appeal. Over. Santos, so valuable. And she is give it away or take it away. It'll be fought for with every toss and spike in every volley.
That's inside, down the line hit from Erica Santos.
What can she not do on that right flank? Spike of the set at insenyo ng Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. So si Erica, hirap kuminsan sundan kasi nag-alternate yung dalawang to. Ito naman, Gandler. Got it to go. Ayan, tabla na naman.
Quick side out.
Set, keep that in mind, 25-21. Pons, very tight set. Oh, that'll give the lead back to Signal, 18-17. For Signal with 11, Gandler with 8. Pons has 7. Pons keeps that in play. Here comes the set by Cayuna. Oh!
This double sub for Signal para makakuha sila ng full front row.
Gandler. Marunong na rin gumamit ng kamay ito si Gandler. Gamit eh. Balikat, siko. Kung pwede pang sipain, sige.
Good ball pa rin yun.
Nakita ko yung kay Mars Alba eh.
I saw that too.
Ang ganda ng pagkaka-reverse. Ayaw kay Mars, ulitin mo ha. 5-2. Gandler tosses it over. Carlos. Katindig. Doing Katindig. It's outside.
Credit that point to the good save of Don Katindig. That pancake save.
Serving. Cayuna setting. Gandler gets that to fall in.
You could hear in the timeout from Coach Shaq.
They can go flow smoothly. Good combination play. Gandler delivering on the tap. 14-11 now.
Hindi na kailangan paluin pa yon dahil kahit na sumabay na yung mga blockers. Diin na lang in the middle.
Yeah. Very long. First point, courtesy of her. Dug up. Katindig makes it a set for Gandler. Chased down by Pons. De Guzman. Carlos. Denied. We recycle. Ooh. Joust. Katindig. Oh, that's hit out. And Signal's hot here right now. Pons in her serve. Hello. Cayuna nearly a step late. Gandler keeps it afloat. Back to her. Whips it in, but they still bandy it about and keeping it in play. Katindig, Cayuna, Gandler. One of those long rallies. Katindig. Santos. There's a check ball.
There was a check ball.
Present, and they have to communicate well. What they need to fortify now is team effort, and that is moving in sync, playing with poise, and setting the game's tempo on theirs by voting for the All-Star Volleyball Showcase at pbl.ph/allstar. Back to you, Seven Paneng.
You join that count because we want to hear from you and who you think should be in that great game. Pons, and look at this. It is 6-1 Signal, and fortunes changing here. Pumabot si Cayuna. Tinaas ni Carlos. Naging set. Humiga si Katindig. Ni-reverse ni Cayuna. Hello!
There you go. Kahit hindi ganun kataas yung set on the reverse for Santos. Oh!
And we arrive at the first technical timeout of the fourth. That is inside. Signal has managed to keep Creamline in check.
We were waiting for that cross court. Laki o, dalawa yung nakabantay sa cross court na yon kay Erica Santos. And we know also is down the line. Kaya ang hirap din iwan yun.
Oo nga naman. Hey, Doria's been a contributor. Gandler whips it inside.
There was a delay on the defense.
Santos. Regalo. Hindi na baon. Valdez. Miss-hit. Tinaas ni Cayuna. Gandler hits long. She got a piece of a hand there.
Naabot pa yon ni Don Katindig.
Tayo. Carlos. Solid. Cayuna with a quick look at the other end. That's inside.
That was inside. From the back row, Erica Santos targeting long ball.
Habol.
Oh, this is tight one.
Broken play to. Pero ginawa ng paraan ni Gandler.
But sayang because pag nakita mo na yung mga ganun na pwesto ng mga attackers na hindi na nila papaluin, usually hindi na yung binablock dahil doon pa nakakakuha ng puntos.
Competitive 5 sets. May mga 5 sets na parang natutulog. Di ba?
Yung ang bilis,
mabagal
yes.
or mabagal. Boy, this woman is doing a little of everything. And she even sends it into the air. Gandler. Dito ayaw mo pa bagsakin yung bola. And Santos makes them pay.
For fifth set, ang pinaka-importante dito is mga...
For the other side. And muntik nang maging straight sets. Up 3 straight. And Signal ang Creamline. Pero hindi. Bumawi ang Signal. And here we are. Wow, that's gonna count.
Medyo malayo yung coverage on the side of Creamline.
Important because ang fifth set na 15, mabilis lang yan. Ha? Mahirap pag nalamangan ka ng maaga.
Yes. But going back to their game nung preliminaries, nag-fifth set din sila, but extended naman yung set na yon.
Oo, parang ayaw matapos yun. Cayuna. Carlos diving. Gandler stretching and Katindig colliding. It's still in play. Everybody reassembling now. De Leon, Katindig says, no way! Santos! Drills it in!
Credit the effort.
Anyway, it's 4-1. Gandler, got it! Got it!
Inside, down the line. Kay Jel Cayuna na she's ready for the back row whenever she needs.
Hijack. Gandler.
Ang layo ng coverage na Signal.
Oh, yes.
Blocking or going on the down the line angle of her.
Saka napaka-storybook ng pangalan niya, Ernestine.
Very whimsical.
Yeah. Wow, that's out. 2-point play by Signal. Nail biter here at the Araneta. Timeout, Creamline. Inside. Santos takes care of business there with 26 points.
Take a look what happened there again. Si Pangs humabol doon sa middle.
Yung announcer, hindi ko alam. Ako lalo na. Katabi ko, okay lang. Nasa condition to, nagte-tennis ito eh. 13-12.
And there you go. Good first ball. Vanny Gandler has the hot hands for Signal.
And we are at match point.
In between two blockers.